A marketing professional, history enthusiast, adventure seeker, number cruncher during his marketing and sales career or his undying love for mathematics, Mr. Bhandari has always been ready for the next beat. Whether it has been studies or career or even now as a grandfather, his passion and enthusiasm to achieve his best is unparalleled. As the eldest son of a doctor father who kept getting transferred to different towns in Rajasthan, his growing up years have been mixed with varied experiences. In those times, there were still small towns without electricity and he spent a considerable amount of time studying under lantern light. But being a bright child, this did not diminish his zeal to learn. He stood first in every class in his school and even received distinction in science and mathematics in his high school examination. He passed his matriculation at the young age of 14 and post this was sent to BITS Pilani for better exposure to college education. All through the 5 years of engineering, he stood first in the order of merit in academics and was recipient of a Merit Award, Scholarship and Most Outstanding Student of the Year Award. Mr. Bhandari not only continued this streak in studies, but in other spheres as well. He participated in lead roles in all cultural programs, was the tennis captain for the college and represented university in inter-university tournaments. Additionally, he was the business manager of the college magazine and senior under officer of the college NCC unit and holder of the C certificate. He was equally active in social service and was chairman of the Bihar Relief Committee during the 1966 devastating earthquake that rocked the state. He helped collect a handsome amount for relief operations in Bihar. He was the first undergraduate student to present and read a technical paper in the annual convention of Indian Society of Agricultural Engineers at Bangalore in 1967. Thereafter, he presented a series of research papers at various forums. After completing his engineering degree with honors and standing first in the order of merit, he joined the Non-Plan Scheme of Planning Commission, Government of India, in the field of minor irrigation to serve the agricultural community of Rajasthan. But the constant quest to acquire higher education made him appear and clear the highly prestigious and difficult competitive exam for a master's program at the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. He successfully completed his postgraduate management majoring in marketing in 1973. With such a brilliant record, Mr. Bhandari stepped into the corporate world and served in senior management positions with Mahindra & Mahindra Limited, Mumbai from 1973 to 81, Escorts Limited, Faridabad from 81 to 83, LML Scooters Limited, Kanpur from 83 to 91 and finally then with Reliance Industries Limited, Mumbai from 91 to 94. During the 22 years that he worked with these well-known companies of the country, he brought laurels wherever he worked. By 1994, he was heading the polymer division of Reliance Industries Limited at the headquarters in Mumbai. At present, he is the founder director of Alishan Fibers Private Limited, Jaipur, Alishan Petro Products Private Limited, Jaipur and RK Chemicals, Jaipur. Besides this, he has also ventured in the field of human resource and is director of Placewell Consultants, Jaipur. Besides his ardor for work, he is associated with a number of other organizations. Vice President, Rajasthan Chamber of Commerce and Industry, an apex body of all industries of Rajasthan. Member, Regional Direct Taxes Advisory Committee of Rajasthan. President, All India Medium Cement Facturers Association. Member, Regional Board, ESI Corporation, Government of India. He is also associated with International Service Organization, Rotary International. He has been Assistant Governor as well as President of Rotary Clubs. Apart from this, the love for his alma mater keeps him occupied with the college associations too. He was president from 2010 to 2016 of BITS Alumni Association, Jaipur chapter. An avid traveler, he has travelled far and wide to all continents, not only for personal and business purpose, but also for service initiatives. In his professional journey, he has received a number of awards like the following: Industry Ratna Award, Rotary Ratna and Vibhushan Award. 4 avenues of service citation by Rotary International. Mr. Bhandari is married to Mrs. Renu Bhandari, an entrepreneur in her own right. She started the first ever English language speaking institute in Kanpur and then Jaipur. She has 3 books to her credit and is an active Rotarian herself. Her institute, Speakwell Institute of English Language, is a much sought after institute today. They have 2 children. Their daughter Shipra is a management professional who has worked across the spectrum of corporate and consulting roles. At present, she is a senior journalist with a media house and has finished work on her first book. She is married to Mr. Amit Narayan, a management professional who has the human resource function for Nestle